Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a really popular saw, the Stihl 076 AV. That's got a 111 cubic centimeter motor, 6.7 cc motor. This has got a 42-inch bar and chain. This is one of the cleanest 076s I've had a chance to have on the sale. And it runs beautiful. We're going to fire it up here in a minute. Show you a few things on it. It's got a manual oiler and automatic oiler. It does have a compression release button right here. It's got the wrap handlebars. And it's very clean for a used chainsaw. It's just in excellent shape. And let's fire it up. And we'll go outside now and make a cut with it.